And who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Master Foster. Master Petra.
Mr. Bertrand. Wow, seems you guys love Mr. Bertrand.
Okay, Master Michael.
Master Mike,
Master Foster.
Master
Micah.
Master Michael. Wow.
Much different.
Wow.
I have to choose
Master Felix.
Master Felix and I
Master Alpha.
Michael.
Master Michael.
Master Bertrand.
Master Master Bertrand. Wow.
Felix.
Master Felix. Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael.
Master Bertrand.
Mr. Bertrand. So why do you like
Master Umekosmo.
Master Cosmo? Master Bertrand, I guess it teaches you chemistry. So extensively share with us how consistent and diligent the tutors of Gifted Brains tutorial are.
I've been part of Gifted Brains tutorials and it has totally leveled up my learning. Attending Gifted Brains tutorials has been a game changer and their music taught me very subjectively, boosting my confidence as well as empowering students with knowledge. Gifted Brains tutorials is highly recommended. This is a place where dreams come true and where learning is success. Try Gifted Brains tutorials today and unlock your potential.
Wow. So in a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate Gifted Brain tutorial? I don't even need to ask you that question because you already said it.
9 over 10 because the
Wow.
tutors are punctual to classes and the lessons are well prepared and engaged.
Wow.
Positivity entity of an atom is constantly equal to the negativity entity of an atom. And because of that, an atom is electrically neutral. Atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but with different mass number. And I told you, proton number is the same as the atomic number, which is equal to the numbers of the electrons. The mass number, which is not the same in the concept of this isotopy, is as a result of this difference in the neutron number. When you add the proton number and the neutron number, it will give you the atomic mass number, which is defined here as the mass number of an atom.